What? And I say, I'm awesome like that. There we go. Hello everyone, Sats here, how you guys doing? Here at the camera with KonoSuba, wonderful explosion. And yeah, Sherry has her first one, and we expect many more. Well, she has several. She's been doing outside racing someone else. Yeah, that poor demon girl. Poor girl. But hey, she has the money to leave town now, so more shenanigans outside, and also the beginning of her stalker relationship with Union. I really want her to have friends. I just thought she did. Oh well, let's see what happens. There we go. Yes, you have. Oh. Yeah, this is Appa's turf. We're going to see those radios for the first time. Again. Not this one. No, you're going to tell this chapter. Episode 7. Troublemakers of Dwarf City. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, okay, so what happened? And why is that? It's supposed to be attached with a string. Why is that a sticker? Yeah, you need to go to the starting city. And let's not forget your glass cannon status. You do want to spell you're dead. You remember when you tried that last episode? Yeah, we're still at this. Well, you are, let's not mention it. She might hurt me. She did what then? Yeah, you're fired. Yeah, the zealots are here. Wait, didn't know about that? Union. Yeah, you heard right. Okay, but she's not in her usual garb though. Could be someone else. Okay, you should at least hear the whole story. Yeah, but don't use it on people. And I have a feeling she's the villain here. Oh yeah, she is the villain here. I just remembered her. Yeah. Oh yeah, they have that beef. Wait, what? Okay, she's the worst. Okay. I wish I could go across the screen and slap her. Well, she's gone. That's it. So these guys are free too, right? Right? Wow, she's the worst. Yeah, she's not getting. And now she has something she can grab you with. Yeah, you should. Very bad. Okay, they definitely want a lolly to join them. I didn't say anything. Okay, go kill that guy. Makes sense. Yeah, they're trying to get you to join them, so yeah. I'll for the 5-star meals. Oh, you definitely would try something that dastardly. Yeah, I don't think you can take that with a grain of salt. Let's be the Pope. Close enough. You probably should not have accepted so fast. You okay? Do not give them that option. Yeah, you might take it literally. Okay, what? You might need to explore this building soon. No, it's not. How low are they? And they always blame Aries. Really? That is... No! No! Don't you dare. Please don't give them ideas. Please. Why does this sound familiar? That's why it sounds familiar. It was her idea. Yeah, they're bouncing though. Okay, I don't think it'll work with you. Yeah. Just, yeah, run. Good girl. Well, at least it's like this. So do all her plans. No, that's a big guy. He'll just whoop you. He deserves it, so yeah, go with it. He ran away. Well, you are crazy. Oh. Yeah, you need a very good explanation. How are you going to jail? I'll defeat you in jail. Probably. You should not have even started. Yeah, he was a big guy. I mean, that's exactly what they did, though. They bought you with food, so they can just buy you with more food. I don't think it's a different boxing. Okay, people are just going to use those instead of toilet paper. Yeah, fail then run. I doubt it. He does not know the meaning of the word. None of them do. Oh! Hey, Union! Open your eyes and see. Oh, she passed out. Then stand up. Well, she can't stand up now. No, she stops. Yeah, she's going to be all the dirt. Well, obviously, she's stalking you. Obviously, she's being taken care of. She doesn't look like she cares. Yeah, you should definitely leave. But you're not gonna. That's gonna be hilarious. Probably. Nah, it definitely is. What did he do? Okay, that sounds filthy. Okay, you're just adding to his crimes now. I'm just taking notes. Yeah, you should just leave. Yeah. Oh yeah, Big Sis. Wait, did she take something? Okay, you're not helping your case here, dude. Oh, not helping at all. I'd say it'd be for the better, but I've seen the end result, so I doubt it. Oh, she's actually here on official business. She's not stalking. Good to know. Let's hope for you. She just brought the letter. It's not like she did anything. Okay, so something with Demon Army is coming here. Probably. That guy's involved. He has done stuff to deserve being arrested, though, so might as well just take him away. But stuff is going to come anyway. So, yeah, that's just called as scummy as ever. As ever. Were they much worse in the main series? Like, much worse. At least simply because we see it from the inside now that they're having some consultants from Megumi. Which really should know better. Yeah, they seem much worse in the main series. The same. Anyway, with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out. Any comments? I would love to hear your thoughts. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do and check out my stuff. See you guys next time. Bye.